Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial. Today I'll be showing you how to delete your EA accounts. So in order to delete your EA accounts, you'll need to first of all check your internet connection and go ahead and open up a browser. On the web address bar, type in help.ea.com. I'll also make sure to leave the link on my description box below. So once you type in help.ea.com, it's going to direct you to the help center page. So first of all, go ahead and select EA accounts from the top, and then it's going to direct you to the other interface. So in order to look for the game topic, you need to type in delete account. So after you type in delete account, it's going to show you how you can close my account article. So click the link in order to expand it. So once again, in order to confirm your topic, select delete my EA account. After you do that, it's going to show you all sort of information, so go through it all. And then to delete your account, you'll need to go ahead and select the link that says account deletion. Click the plus icon. After that, it's going to show you a list of articles on how you can actually delete your account. So after that, what you can do is you can simply contact the support team. So for that, click on get in touch with us, and it's going to take you to the other interface where you can go ahead and contact the support team, state about the issue, and they'll look into your matter. So basically, to delete your EA account, you'll have to contact the support team. Unless and until if you don't submit a ticket, you'll not be able to delete your account. What you can do is you can simply go ahead and type in email us, or you can also submit a ticket, whatever is convenient for you. And after that, you can type in your detailed information, such as provide in your username, your email address, your contact details, all sort of things, and that's basically how you can delete your EA accounts. So after they look into your matter, they'll be responding to you within 24 to 48 hours. Then you'll have successfully deleted your EA account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.